I need your advice. I need your advice. Can we meet tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow? That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. I agree with you. I agree with you. Please explain it again. Please explain it again. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. Let's try something new. Let's try something new. It's not working properly. It's not working properly. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. This is not fair. This is not fair. What's your opinion? What's your opinion? Let me check first. Let me check first. I'm running late. I'm running late. Can you help me? Can you help me? That's not my fault. That's not my fault. Don't rush the process. Don't rush the process. Let's stay calm. Let's stay calm. I've done this before. I've done this before. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I'm still thinking. I'm still thinking. Can we do it now? Can we do it now? It's already in progress. It's already in progress. I'm open to feedback. I'm open to feedback. This might take time. This might take time. I'm learning every day. I'm learning every day. Let's fix the problem. Let's fix the problem. You are doing great. You are doing great. We should decide soon. We should decide soon. I'm waiting outside. I'm waiting outside. This is very useful. This is very useful. I trust your choice. I trust your choice. Let's continue later. Let's continue later. That's my final answer. That's my final answer. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Let's review everything. Let's review everything. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility. What should I do? What should I do? I need more time. I need more time. That's not possible now. That's not possible now. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. It's better this way. It's better this way. You can go ahead. You can go ahead. I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her. What's the deadline? What's the deadline? Let's stay focused. Let's stay focused. I'll handle it. I'll handle it. That's completely fine. That's completely fine. I missed your call. I missed your call. We'll talk tomorrow. We'll talk tomorrow. That's your decision. That's your decision. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Can I say something? Can I say something? I'm working on it. I'm working on it. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. What's your plan? What's your plan? Let know soon. Let know soon. I'm checking the details. I'm checking the details.